Hello everyone and welcome to a brand new video here on EdTech. I've been thinking about buying a Bluetooth party speaker for a while now and I finally got one. This here on the table is the JBL Partybox 110 and this speaker is highly regarded. It comes with a tons of useful feature, a sturdy build and a lot more to keep the party going. JBL is an American company founded by James Bullock Lansing, an audio engineer and pioneer in loudspeaker design. The company's first product, the D101 15-inch loudspeaker, was released back in 1946. JBL as a brand has come a long way with much more improved products that we all love. Well, in today's modern world, it's possible to assemble speaker components from different sources to create a high-quality speaker on your own. I came across this very informative video that will guide you exactly how to do it if you're into that. Link in the description down below. The price tag of the JBL Partybox 110 is $29,799 and it's available on Amazon and Flipkart. When you pay a hefty price for a multi-purpose Bluetooth speaker, then it's very natural to expect it to perform outstandingly well in most scenarios. Well, I am happy to report that this speaker does meet my expectations. I like the funky looking design and the black and orange color scheme is eye-catching, giving it a true JBL character. In the front, you'll see a metal mesh that covers the speaker system with the JBL logo. The sides are high-quality plastic with textured pattern with rubber accents on all four sides and also under the handle, making it very comfortable to lift the speaker and move around with it. The top is where you find the control panel of the speaker. There's a mobile device dock to keep your mobile and small-sized tablets. There is a power button, battery level indicator, Bluetooth pairing button and bass boost that offers 2 levels of bass enhancement. There is a play-pause button with a ring to control the volume and another ring to switch between different light patterns with a button to turn on and off the RGB lights in the front. On the back of the speaker, things get a little more interesting. A feature that every party speaker should have is an option to connect a microphone for karaoke. The JBL Partybox 110 allows you to connect one microphone and a guitar with volume and gain controls. You can also connect 2 microphones if you don't need the guitar. If you are a musician, DJ or just someone who likes to sing on karaoke, then you will appreciate this feature as it is battery powered and it makes perfect sense to take it out on the streets and do a live gig, if you know what I mean. There's a USB to play songs via pen drive that also acts as a power bank to charge your devices. If you happen to have a pair of JBL Partybox speakers, then there is an option to pair them wirelessly by pressing the TWS switch and it'll pair on its own. To cover the back panel, there is a rubberized flap that prevents dust and water from getting inside. The same goes for the AC power socket. This speaker is IPX4 splash-proof, making it more party-friendly if your party gets wet and wild. Well, all of that is good for nothing if the sound quality is compromised, and that is not the case with the JBL Partybox 110. In my opinion, the sound is superlatively well contained and the sound never distorts at full volume. The highs, mids and the lows are very well balanced. The sound quality also depends on what kind of music you'll be playing on it, and most importantly, where you'll play it. Indoor performance is simply outstanding. I never find myself playing it at full volume. The bass boost feature helps a lot to bring back that deep bass outdoors. I don't use the bass boost feature a lot because I am someone who enjoys crisp, balanced nature of the music a lot more than aggressive deep bass that dominates the highs and the mids. But someone who loves bass will love the 2 levels of bass enhancement feature that this speaker offers, because as you press the button, you instantly notice the difference. Here are some audio samples, take a listen. Judging the sound from this high quality mic on your headphones is going to be very different from what it sounds like in the real world. To make things more exciting, JBL also offers a mobile app to control everything on the speaker. You can also control lighting and equalizer to customize the sounds even further, and some karaoke effects. You can also play around with some built-in DJ sound effects to keep your guests entertained. There is one awkward thing that I noticed. It gets louder when connected to AC power.
You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me high and dry. Baby, you get me high.
The battery lasts around 10 hours on full volume, and with low to medium volume it'll last more than 12 hours of playback. If you're planning to buy this speaker, I highly recommend visiting an offline store for a demo to get the feel of the product. My experience with the JBL Partybox 110 has been amazing so far. I admire this brand and this product, and I do think that it justifies the price tag. Let me know what you think about this product, and if you have any further questions, make sure to drop a comment down below. My videos have performed really well, and I have decided to get into a serious relationship with YouTube with some exciting plans for the channel. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to EdTech, and I will catch up with you soon in another video.